Okay guys, so we have been waiting. थोड़ी देर गाड़ी में बैठे रहे, चाय वाय पी और अब फाइनली आई थिंक वी कैन सी सम एक्टिविटी. आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई एंड ट्रैक इट विद माय फ़ोन क्योंकि उससे ज़्यादा क्लियरली दिखता है. लेट मी शो यू. I am experiencing one of the most magnificent phenomena of the world, the Aurora Borealis, right above me. Welcome to Arctic Russia. Hello and welcome to episode 3 from Russia. पिछले एपिसोड में I drove back from Tiribarka in Arctic Russia all the way to Murmansk, a 2-hour drive and a fresh new adventure awaited me. Remember how we saw the Arctic Ocean up close in the last episode? Well, देखना मेरे लिए काफी नहीं था, so in this episode we are going swimming in the Arctic Ocean. Well, technically floating. Okay, तो मैं एक बहुत ही insane चीज करने के लिए आई हूँ. As you guys know so far कि मैं Northern Russia में हूँ in the Arctic Circle, and today I'm going to make the most of it and do something very very insane. I am going to be swimming in the Arctic Ocean, but so that I don't die, there's a special way to do that. Come, let me show you guys. चलो 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 चलो. ये एक्टिविटी भी मैंने एक टूर कंपनी के साथ बुक की है. As usual, the details are in the video's caption, so don't forget to check them. So ocean में जाने से पहले you are put into these suits that keep you super warm and also afloat so that you don't drown. आपके खुद के एक thin layer of clothing के ऊपर ये आपको पहनाया जाएगा. और finally road closure वाले barricade जैसे दिखने के बाद it's time to waddle towards the ocean and just dunk in. So if you guys think that swimming in the Arctic Ocean is a crazy idea, here I am welcoming crazy, suited up, and we're ready to go into the water. Launch me into the water now. वैसे अगर आप एकदम विंटर्स में यहाँ आओ like in December or January, you can even actually float in the middle of the ice and that is so nice to do. And then after that I headed to my apartment in Murmansk for the day, जो एक बहुत ही पुराने बिल्डिंग में था and hence वहाँ कोई लिफ्ट नहीं थी. तो सारा सामान उठा के ले जाने के बाद finally I checked in and rested out for a while. Okay, so we're back in Murmansk और यहाँ जो होटल बुक की है पुराना बिल्डिंग है, तो यहाँ पे लिफ्ट का सिस्टम नहीं है मोस्टली. तो ये स्टेयर से चढ़ के आपको जाना है सारा सामान लेके. लेट्स गो चेक द रूम. This is what it looks like. There's a toilet, there's a bath, there's a washing machine. तो ये basically एक flat ही है, cute and cozy. There are wardrobes here, of course. There's a bed to sleep in. There's a little table and chairs to sit. That's the camera, and this is a little kitchen area. यहाँ पे fridge दिया हुआ है. There is an induction. माइक्रोवेव. आप खाना बना सकते हो, खाना लाया हुआ गरम कर सकते हो. थोड़ा सा पास्ता रखा हुआ है इसके अंदर, तो वो है. इसमें शुगर है, सॉल्ट है, बेसिक नेसेसिटी की आइटम्स है. इट्स लाइक एन एयरबीएनबी. ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ गुड कटलरी हियर, सम मोर कुकिंग यूटेंसिल्स. ओह, देयर इज आटा, देयर इज ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ ऑयल. ये प्लेट्स एंड कप्स है. और यहाँ देखते हैं क्या है इसमें. देयर इज फ्राइंग पैन्स एंड सॉस पैन्स. तो बेसिकली आपको यहाँ रह के एवरी बेसिक थिंग दैट यू नीड टू कुक अ मील इज़ अवेलेबल. एंड आई एम श्योर यहाँ पे कुछ डिश वॉशिंग चीज़ें होगी. येस, द डस्टबिन देयर. दिस इज स्टफ टू जस्ट कीप द प्लेस अ लिटिल क्लीन. इट्स अ प्रीटी नाइस प्लेस. Building आप देखोगे, it's a dilapidated, very old building, but really really nice. And as always, they've given heaters here, keep you warm. Alright, so I was just resting for a while. I took a good shower. यहाँ पे बहुत गर्म पानी आ रहा था, तो I took a good nice shower इस होटल में. And I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but अगर आप यहाँ पे ना Airbnb नहीं चलता रशिया में, तो अगर आप Airbnb टाइप के जो अपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं जैसे कि ये है वो बुक करना चाहते हो, तो there is this website called as Zen Hotels. आप उस पे बुक कर सकते हो. I'll link all of these informations down in the description as well, so that you can always read that when you want. अभी मैं हो चुकी हूँ ready, like you can see I've layered up like 4 layers on the top, 3 on the bottom, क्योंकि मैं चल के जा रही हूँ यहीं पे जहाँ पे मैं actually रह रही हूँ. I picked this stay very close in the city center ताकि things are accessible. तो मैं अभी चल के जा रही हूँ to a restaurant to have dinner. I'm super hungry, मुझे पिज़्ज़ा खाने का मन कर रहा है. तो I looked up online, मुझे एक restaurant मिली जहाँ पे they do like really good pizzas and puffs. So I'm going to go there. So let's see. Let's take a stroll in Murmansk and figure out what we can find to eat. तो Yandex मैप पे डाली लोकेशन and decided to walk in the breezy beautiful streets of Murmansk. क्या आपको भी पसंद है कि किसी नए डेस्टिनेशन में चल के एक्सप्लोर करें, especially when the weather is so good? It's a totally different feeling to be walking around a new city, है ना? My excitement on looking at a pizza, freshly arrived pizza, is the same, I think similar to when I saw the Northern Lights. Bon appetit! तो अगले दिन सुबह उठ के I headed to one of the most beautiful places I could have lived in, a cabin of my dreams. Welcome to the house of my dreams. This cabin is in Murmansk village, about 30 minutes from Murmansk, and is one of the most cozy and beautiful cabins you can stay at. Yuga House is a cozy wooden A-frame cabin that is situated in the center of a forest and comes with its own little sauna, or a banya as they call it in Russian. The house has a little couch seating area, a little dining table, a fully equipped kitchen, a bathroom, and a bed on the upper deck. The house truly feels like a home away from home, just like a dream house, the one we all used to draw as little kids. Let me show you around the place quickly. एक walk through करते हैं, and then I'll show it to you in a better way. तो basically ये घर एक A-shaped, A-framed घर है जहाँ पे there is like a living area downstairs. There is a couch जिसको you can pull out and turn into a bed as well. There are candles. There's beautiful boho decor everywhere, which I absolutely love. यहाँ पे if you can see there is stairs which go up to a bed, which I'll show you in a while. But here there's a vinyl जिसपे आप music सुन सकते हो. Quite a retro feel. यहाँ पे कुछ games है, यहाँ पे vinyl records है. And one very beautiful thing that I want to show you is right here. ये जो couch है इसके सामने there's a projector screen that you can pull down. And projector दिया गया है, तो you can connect your laptop with that and watch something here in this cozy beautiful setting. यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा dining table दिया है with 4 chairs. Great for a family, great for friends, great for couples to come. And let's move into the kitchen area. Okay, so this is the kitchen area जहाँ पे सारी ही चीज़ें दी है जो use की होगी. If you want to cook something, there's cutlery, there's all kinds of utensils that you would need to be cooking. And there's tea, there's coffee, there's some basic stuff like they've given a bowl of croissants to eat, and chai coffee दी है, शक्कर है, salt है, those kind of things. There's a fridge, there is also a microwave, and then there's a bathroom as well. Living here is indeed nothing less than a dream. Also, at a 5-minute walk from the home is a little pier where you can walk to and sit by the lake. It's so peaceful and so beautiful. Alright, so I'm just stepping out of the house to get some groceries. क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक किचन दिया हुआ है जहाँ पे आप खाना खुद बना सकते हो. There's a barbecue grill and all of that. तो मैंने सोचा चलो यहाँ पे रह ही रही हूँ तो why not make the most of this space. So I'm gonna go out. यहाँ पे ही एक village है, like I said, Moormashi village, which is 10 minutes by car. So I'm also going to be grabbing some quick lunch there. और मैं रात के डिनर के लिए बनाने के लिए भी कुछ सामान लेकर आ रही हूँ. So let's go. Let's see what a supermarket here in Russia looks like. And then I stopped by to grab some pizza as well because I was super hungry. And once I got back to Hyuga house after all my grocery shopping and sit out and relax for a while. सोना को 2-3 घंटे पहले रेडी करना होता है और घर के होस्ट आपको डिटेल इंस्ट्रक्शंस देंगे on how to get it prepped up. So once you come into this personal sauna house of yours, यहाँ पे bathrobes दिए गए हैं, towels दिए गए हैं, so you can use that. But also यहाँ पे कुछ essential oils दिए हैं that you can use to put in the water that you are going to use for the sauna. So there's rosemary, there is eucalyptus, jasmine, peppermint, rose, juniper, and I think I'm going to be using juniper. Let's try it. Alright, so this is a Russian cap that they give you to wear it in their sauna. इसको sauna में आने के पहले you wear it so that your head doesn't get too hot. Also, a very traditional Russian thing in any Russian saunas or spas that you'll find is this little plant. This apparently has some medicated values in it, and you are supposed to be doing this with it. तो आप किसी spa में भी जाओगे, आपको they will make you lie down and do this on you. Alright, after that super relaxing time, it was time for me to cook up something. तो मैंने सोचा पहले barbecue कर लेती हूँ. So I got some sausages, mushrooms, and lit up a good barbecue in the woods. And then of course I cooked up a meal too. Made some pasta and cheesy garlic bread. Yuga House definitely lives up to anyone's dream of a wooden forest cabin. All their details are in the video caption, so check it out in case you'd like to book and stay with them.
हेलो एंड गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं अपने इस सुंदर से घर से अभी निकल के जा रही हूँ एक जगह पे जिसका नाम है लोवो ज़ीरो, जहाँ पे आज मैं बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग जगह पे जा रही हूँ। अ वेरी ट्रेडिशनल रशियन थिंग दैट आई एम गोइंग टू बी डूइंग विच इज़ विजिटिंग अ हस्की पार्क। इस हस्की पार्क में हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखने मिलने वाली। वी गोइंग टू बी विजिटिंग अ सामी विलेज। यहाँ के जो सामी लोग हैं वो कैसे रहते हैं, कौन है, एंड a lot of other things that I'm going to be showing you. Very excited, so let's go.
Today I drove to Lovo Zero, about 2 hours from Murmansk. Lovo Zero is a city in the Kola Peninsula and home to some of the Sami people of the Arctic Russia. They are known to live with their reindeers, and today we will be visiting a popular husky and reindeer farm in Lovo Zero. इस जगह पे पहुंचते ही you will be greeted by Alex, the man with 80 huskies, as I'd like to call him, who will brief you all about these cute Wolverine dogs and how they are some of the best sleigh pullers. Once you're inducted into the habit and nature of these huskies, you're given boots for the rest of the tour and ready to meet the huskies. The farm has about 80 huskies, both male and female, and they are let out so you can play with them and pet them. They are very playful animals, and your time here will certainly be most memorable. A while later, you'll take a small forest walk towards the Sami settlement to understand about their way of living and meet the reindeers. You'll be handed over some bread to feed the reindeers, and you can pet them and play with them too. But be careful of their antlers.
So I'm sitting at one of the Sami settlements home. इनके 3 अलग तरीके के घर होते हैं। जो 18th century तक जो घर होता था वो ऐसा होता था। This is exactly the size। और मेरे आसपास जो आप फर देख रहे हो, this is all reindeer skin। So ये बहुत गर्म होता है। It's very furry, it's very very warm। And यहाँ पे bonfire लगा है so that you can escape the cold, come sit outside। But this used to be their house। अब जाके देखते हैं कि इनका second type का घर कैसा होता है।
The Sami in Russian Lapland live a way of life which almost has not changed over the last century. The primary occupation of the Sami is reindeer farming, but they are also very skilled fishermen, and they possess a rich, unique folklore, and many of them still wear distinctive and colorful traditional Lappish clothing. In the Sami settlement are some traditional dwellings with floor covered with reindeer fur. And within the Lovo Zero Husky Park too, your lunch will be included. Jisme you'll get a soup and some rice with pork, or a vegetarian option if you request for at your tour. And being in Arctic Russia for me was a complete favorite experience because it allowed me to go aurora hunting every single night. And today I had a tour booked for another hunt. I suggest you to stay the maximum number of nights in these areas so that way you can go each night to view the aurora and this increases your chances of seeing her.
ओके तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा दूर ड्राइव करके आए। हमारे जो जहाँ पे हम रह रहे थे वहाँ से कुछ 50 किलोमीटर के ऊपर तो ड्राइव करके हम आए हैं। एंड देयर इज़ अ रीज़न क्यों इसको नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स हंट बोलते हैं। इट्स जेन्युइनली अ हंट टुडे। आप हर टाइम लकी नहीं हो सकते कि आप निकले और दिख गई। बट द रीज़न बीइंग कि आज बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्लाउडी है, तो क्लाउड्स हटे तो दिखेगी बिकॉज आज चांसेस बहुत हाई है। या मतलब हम इतने दूर आ गए, यहाँ से थोड़े और आगे 70 किलोमीटर जाएंगे तो फिनलैंड ही आ जाएगा। बट अभी रुके हैं एंड दिस इज़ द थ्रिल ऑफ द हंट कि आप रुको, आप वेट करो, आप स्काई देखते रहो, यू कीप मॉनिटरिंग कि कब बादल हटेंगे तो यू विल बी एबल टू सी द शो। सो वी आर ऑल्सो वेटिंग इन द मिडल ऑफ नोवेयर।
And while you wait, your tour guide will get you some tea and cookies to keep you warm. After all, it's all a matter of patience and more patience.
So the aurora hunting is getting more and more intense and interesting. बहुत मज़ा आता है जब आप ठंड में रात में खड़े होते हो और घंटों भर you're actually looking for it. The thrill जब आपको actually घंटे खड़े रहने के बाद दिखता है, बहुत मज़ा आता है। आपको आपकी नेकेड आई से उतना क्लीन नहीं दिखता है जैसे आप फ़ोटोज़ वीडियोज़ में देखते हो। जो आप मेरे भी फ़ोटोज़ वीडियोज़ देख रहे हो, वो कैमरा का लेंस उसको वैसे पकड़ पाता है। अपनी आँखों से हल्का, जिस लिटिल हल्का कैमरा से कम दिखता है, बट यू कैन क्लियरली सी इट ग्रीन, कभी लाल, कभी वायलेट, एंड इट्स जस्ट सो ब्यूटीफुल।
Well, that was it for this episode. I hope you guys are as excited as I am while rewatching this video with you guys. So don't forget to like this video and share it ahead so more people can experience this beautiful destination and also helps them plan it better. Stay tuned for episode 4 because we will now be heading to the star cities of Russia, Moscow and St. Petersburg. See you soon.